Hey everyone, welcome to an exciting dive into the world of human fertilization. Today I'm breaking down the intricate dance that begins life itself. Grab your lab coats because we're heading into the biology of how it all starts. First up, let's talk about ovulation. It happens roughly once a month. Your ovary releases a mature egg or ovum into the fallopian tube. The ovum is like a queen bee waiting for her suitors. It's got about 24 hours to meet a sperm before it breaks down. Now onto the star player, the sperm. These tiny swimmers are produced in the testes and are stored in the epididymis. When ejaculation occurs, millions of sperm are released, but only a few hundred will make it anywhere near the egg. Each sperm is armed with a head full of DNA, a midpiece packed with energy, and a tail for motility. It's a race to the finish line. The journey starts in the vagina, moves through the cervix, and continues into the uterus. Eventually, the sperm must navigate the narrow fallopian tubes. Out of millions, only one lucky sperm will penetrate the ovum. It's not just a matter of brute force. Enzymes in the sperm's acrosome help break down the egg's outer layer. Once one sperm makes it through, the egg immediately changes its membrane to block others. Bingo! Fertilization happens when the sperm's nucleus merges with the egg's nucleus. We now have a zygote, the very first cell of a new human. This zygote contains a unique set of 46 chromosomes, with 23 from each parent. The zygote then begins a journey of its own. It travels down the fallopian tube toward the uterus. Along the way, it undergoes rapid cell division, transforming into a multicellular structure known as a blastocyst. Around 5 to 6 days post-fertilization, the blastocyst implants itself into the uterine lining. This marks the beginning of pregnancy. Let's take a quick look at the roles. The ovum provides the cellular machinery and most of the cytoplasm. It's like the factory where initial development happens. The sperm brings in the other half of the DNA, offering genetic diversity. Both are essential for creating a new life. So why is this process so fascinating? Because it's a finely tuned series of events that must go just right. From the timing of ovulation to the sperm navigating the female reproductive tract, it's all synchronized like a perfectly choreographed dance. In summary, human fertilization is a complex yet beautifully orchestrated process. It begins with ovulation and involves the meeting of sperm and egg in the fallopian tube. The successful sperm penetrates the egg, forming a zygote that travels to the uterus and implants to begin pregnancy. It's a journey that kickstarts the creation of life, right from a single cell to a fully formed human being. Thanks for joining me on this